Hello dear students. Today I am going to discuss the topic diary writing with you, how to write a diary. Here I have my own diary and what I do with it. Actually everything, whatever comes to my mind, all the ideas, all my future planning, everything I try to write in my diary. And apart from that, in diary, all the significant events of the day which comes to my mind and I think they are important, I should write them down. So I try to put them in my diary. So diary writing is such a wonderful habit, and diary in itself is such a wonderful object that you share each and everything with it, all your dreams, all your ideas, all your emotions which you have not been able to share with any other person. You write them down in diary, and that too in a very safe and secure manner. So it seems that diary is a very good habit. We should have it. But how to format? How to format a diary from the examination point of view? First thing, a diary, it's your personal journal. It's your own notebook. And the language we use for diary writing, that is also quite personal. The way you want to write it, you can be very creative with it, and you can be so as much candid as you want to be. Whatever comes to your mind, the way it comes to your mind, you can just put it in your diary. But when it is from the examination point of view, we should keep certain things in our mind regarding the formatting. So how we start? First of all, in the left hand corner we put the date, and after that we should also mention the day, on the day when we wrote it, and after that put timing. And most of the time we write diary in the evenings or before going to bed, so obviously the timing will be in PM. You should mention that. After that, if you want to give a title to your diary, that can be done, and after that you can write from in the left hand side, again left hand side formatting, and you can start by writing Dear Diary. Or if you want to give some personal name to your diary, that can also be done. So it will start like Dear Diary, and after that comes your main content, all the ideas or whatever the question is asked from you in the examination. Say the day was very good for you, you met one of your friend, and whatever you did throughout the day, just make a diary entry for that. If that is the question, so that will be your main content, that you met your friend, how was the weather. Be creative with that. You can be very creative with the content, how you write it. And at last, when you have done it, and again in the left hand side you will put your name. So your diary entry is complete for the day. And this is all about the formatting. And one more thing about you have to write it in first person pronoun. Try to write it in first person pronoun, because it is very personal. You are writing about yourself, and it will be in simple past tense, because you are writing about something which has already happened, and now you are trying to remember it and trying to put it down for your future reference. So diary can be a very important tool in maintaining all the ideas and all the planning of your future. And in this manner, I think this topic is clear to you. And the language we use for it, that will be very simple, very friendly, and you do not have to be very formal while writing it. And be creative and be as candid as you can be. That's all about diary writing. So that's it. Thank you so much.